What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I am on South Beach. That's right, Lincoln Road, headed to the OnePlus pop-up event with their newest phone. That's right, I got my hands on it, that Nebula Blue OnePlus 7 Pro, and we're gonna check this bad boy out right now. We're gonna talk to some of the customers, some of the OnePlus fans that are checking out the newest device from OnePlus. Let's go inside.
Been with the same phone for the last 5 years, and I decided if I'm gonna go big, if I'm gonna change, I'm gonna go big. So I decided to get the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, and honestly, just touching it for the last 5 minutes, I already know this is the best decision I've made in a long time.
I like how it's bigger and like how it's bezel-less, basically, like 93%. And I'm a big OnePlus fan, and so I always like, every time a new one comes out, I just upgrade.
The fingerprint is amazing, I love it. So now with the full screen, it's gorgeous, to be honest. And now with the new camera in here, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. I don't have no words.
I like the fact that the pop-up camera, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. That's the only reason why I was skeptical about getting it. But it turns out that it's smoothless, it's like seamless, it's just like perfect.
Well, as you can see, a lot of people enjoyed this device. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro from OnePlus that is exclusively on T-Mobile here for the next coming days, and it is absolutely stunning. You're looking at a Nebula Blue device here from T-Mobile. It also comes in a gray, if you like that color, and later on, I think next month, it's coming in almond. Now, you can get the 8GB, 256GB version from OnePlus for $699, which isn't a bad price when you consider some of the other flagships from Samsung, Apple, and even Google. This is a spectacular device. It has that pop-up camera where it pops up. You can take that selfie. It's pretty dope. Now, if you drop the device, the camera will go back inside its holster, so you don't have to worry about that. And you could open this thing up to 300,000 times, which is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you got the triple camera set up on the back with the telephoto and the wide angle lens. And the wide angle lens is pretty nice, if you ask me. A lot of OnePlus customers were here, about 50 to 75 customers. They really enjoyed the device. A lot of people were blown away by it when they experienced the device, but this device right here is a contender. And I'm gonna put it up against the Pixel 3a XL, also the Pocophone, also some other devices, and maybe a surprise contender here and there. But this device is absolutely gorgeous, really well done by OnePlus. If you ask me, it is super sensational and sexy. I was getting a call there, but I had to put them on the mute. But this device is super, super, super nice. It's real nice, if you ask me, smooth. But look at that. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. It's got that 90 gigahertz display. Everything is just flawless, if you ask me. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie. This device right here is an impressive device. Has a lot of cool features. Has the in-display fingerprint reader. And you could go right in faster than Samsung, faster than any other device that you've ever experienced. That is the OnePlus 7 Pro. You could follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram at Android Stud. Like or subscribe to the channel. Please leave a comment, and I'll appreciate all you guys do for me. And this is really super device. I'm so glad you guys were able to enjoy this video of me taking it to South Beach and checking out the newest device from OnePlus, the OnePlus 7 Pro.